Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, this battle has been going on in Yoruba land pretty much since the beginning of time. It is the contention, of course, for who will be or who is the foremost Yoruba king. So every king of every settlement will come out in the public space to tell you that he's the leading or the lead Yoruba Oba or king, and give you his reasons why. A lot of people, of course, default to either the Ooni of Ife or the Alaafin of Oyo. So these are the two really foremost kings that Yoruba people generally understand to be the lead kings. So it is either you are for the Ooni of Ife to say that he is the lead king, or you are for the Alaafin of Oyo to say that he is the lead king. There's also an argument, by the way, that the Ooni of Ife is not actually a king. The Ooni of Ife is more a spiritual leader than a king, and this is really the Yoruba understanding of what that Ife stool is. But nevertheless, is coronated and is crowned, and people in generality understand him to be a king. So here is now another candidate. As guys, I bring you this. I am the highest king in Yoruba land. I speak with thunder in my mouth. Oba Akinrantan challenges Ooni. So this is now another horse that has come to the races. I am the highest king in Yoruba land. I speak with thunder in my mouth. Oba Akinrantan challenges Ooni. So now let's now see now how this guy is now justifying this bold statement that is making. The Olugbo of Ugbo Kingdom in Ondo State, Oba Frederick Obaturu Akinrantan, has declared that he is the highest Oba in Yoruba land. He also claimed that his father owns Ife Kingdom and that he has the right to crown Yoruba Obas. The Olugbo had recently attacked the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, over that's the Ooni's claim that the Igbo people were originally from Ile Ife. Akinrantan spoke at the installation held at his palace in Ugbo land yesterday, declaring that I am ready to crown more kings from diaspora as long as I remain the number one king in Yoruba land. I am the custodian of Yoruba culture. I am going to give more Obas in diaspora crown. Many of them will get crowns and staff of office from me, and nobody can query me. They know that I am a special Oba in Yoruba land. My father, Oba Makin Osagaga, is the owner of Ife. I am the leader of all Obas in Yoruba land. I speak with thunder in my mouth, and I make bold to say so. No one is above me in Yoruba land, inasmuch as it has been accepted that we are from Ife. I am the one that Oduduwa met in Ife. I am going to celebrate 10 years on the throne. People should go and prepare. I don't want people to wear suits to my coronation anniversary because I am a Yoruba Oba. The coronation will be a special celebration because I am preparing for it, and people will come from all over the country to celebrate with me. The three men crowned by the Olugbo were the Oriade of Georgia, Oba Bernard Shola Akinrimisi, the traditional ruler of Yoruba in Liberia, Oba Omobolaji Ogunkoya, Oodua Gbadewolu I, and the traditional ruler of Yoruba in the Republic of Ireland, Oba Saheed Ibrahim Adufe. So now here, I mean, you have to chuckle a little bit really at the ridiculousness of it. The Oba of Yorubas in Ireland, the Obas of Yoruba in Georgia, and the Obas of Yorubas in Liberia. So it's all good and it's all fair enough. I mean, he's expanding his franchise, and that is fair enough. But McDonald's did it, so why can't a Yoruba Oba do it? But this guy now saying that is the leading Oba in Yoruba land is another contender now. Of course, our guy from Iwo will tell you that he is the most important Oba in Yoruba land, and the Ooni of Ife and the Alaafin of Oyo are already battling it out for that number one spot. So the battle then for the foremost king within Yoruba land is really still being hotly contended, and this is something that has always been in contention in Yoruba land. But broadly, the founding of the Yoruba race is attributed to evolving out of the Ife setup. So by that understanding alone, you have to defer to the Ooni of Ife. But then it's because it is called the orison, which is the foundation. But then, of course, Ife being the progeny of the Yoruba race does not necessarily make the Ooni of Ife the lead Yoruba Oba, because as I stated, a lot of the Yorubas will have it that the Oni is not even an Oba, is a spiritual leader, is an Ifa priest effectively, more so that than an Oba. So if that argument holds, then of course that then immediately defers to the Alaafin of Oyo, because the Alaafin of Oyo is the strongest base for the Yoruba hegemony out of all of the structures of the Obaship within the Yoruba superstructure. But now we have this contender now, this I mean, it's almost like comic relief really, because I don't quite know where this guy is getting this notion from that he is the foremost Oba in Yoruba land, but apparently that is his understanding and he stands by it. Conversations in the comment section. The battle for the foremost Yoruba king rages on. What says you? Where do you weigh in the divide, and what is your understanding? What is your reading, and how do you justify it? Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me who you think is the foremost Yoruba Oba king in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.